How to remove the outline of a text box in Word. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Word. As you can see, outline in your text box. Simply right click on it and then go to Format Shape. In here, go to Line. Click on arrow beside line and then choose Color. Choose the color as your background color and your line will disappear. Simply doing that, you can disable outline of a text box in Word. And that's how you remove the outline of a text box in Word. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.